Alright, what's up YouTube? As y'all can see, I am getting the LS prepared to install into the Yukon. I was going to pull the crank pulley off, but I couldn't get that bolt out. So I just went ahead and took my drill and cleaned up the whole harmonic balancer and the grooves and everything. And also I had a power steering fluid on this particular vehicle that was bent. So you will see here in a second me pulling that power steering pulley off or attempting to do it. So tune in and subscribe, man. K&J's Auto Service. Let's go. Also, I did upgrade the water pump from the old engine because we had just put a brand new pump on it, so the customer wanted to use a brand new pump. Right here you see me putting a special tool in to remove the pulley off the power steering pump. You actually have to have that tool to remove that pulley, so make sure you do have a power steering pulley. Alright, man. Subscribe, like, do all that stuff, man. K&J's Auto Service. Let's go. Right here you can see I'm going manual with it. You can use an impact. I kind of like to do the manual method. And you just put a little arm on it, put a little muscle on it, it'll come off. It's coming off slowly, but it's actually coming off. You guys can't see it. But here in a second, you will see that pulley off. And there she go. K&J's Auto Service. Let's go.